Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing AI Teachify. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the AI Teachify software, the world's first AI-powered course creation tool. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel, you'll have access to Home, Audio Courses, Profile, Generate Course features in it. Below you can switch between dark and light modes easily. Let's start with the course creation. Enter all the necessary details such as topic, subtopics in it. Click the Add Subtopic button to add each subtopics in it. Then, choose the No of subtopics, then select the type of course such as Theory and Image course or Video and Theory course. Then choose the course language in the list. Finally, hit the Submit button below to start the creation. Within a few seconds, it will create an outline frame for the course, then hit the Generate Course button in the below to start the final course creation. Within a few seconds, the course will be created. You are able to export, share the course you generated. After completing each module, the progress of course completion will be updated in the top left corner. There will be a final 10 minutes quiz for each course. You'll get a certificate of completion of a course after your successful quiz completion. Then audio course. With this you can simply get your full course in audio format. Just select the course, then click the play button in each module to hear the text in it.
Digital marketing is built upon a set of fundamental principles that govern how businesses identify, attract, engage, and retain customers online.
Finally, the profile section allows you to edit and check your account details such as name, email ID, and password. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.